Okay, I've been gone for a couple of days and came back today and was talking with Daniel, and the way the conveyor is set up, the dust collection on this opens and closes when it pushes things off. The issue is it's tied, in the CNC, it's tied to when the pusher bar is pushing, and so it'll push material off and it will stop about right here. And when it goes back, it closes the dust collection. So we have about 2.5, 3 feet of material that don't get this upper dust collection, which really helps out. Now we can manually override it over here with a switch and leave it open, but when we do that, we lose dust collection over here and on the edge bander, so we need to close it. I have Anderson working on a fix on that. They're gonna change where it's tied to open and close that. But in the meantime, we did a little improvement here. This box has got us to where we can manually override the vacuum. We can turn it on or off. And previously it was mounted, it was rotated 90 degrees and it was down underneath here. So to get to this button when you're working here, you had to bend way down like this and turn it. So Daniel and I pulled that off, rotated the box 90 degrees, tucked it in as tight as we could, and then swapped the switches here so that we can turn the vacuum on and off when we're working here, so we can manually open up the dust gate. It's not going to do it now, but that'll manually open it, and then as you pull parts off, it'll hit that, and then he can go back over here and turn this off without having to bend over. So it took us about 5-10 minutes to do that, but quick little improvement. We can return it back to where it needs to be, or the other one is if this is in the way and we have a little problem with it, we're actually going to add jumper cable to this and run it up and put it on a box right here on the post next to it, so it's completely out of the way. But that was our quick fix today.